Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to Wayneo's Rod House. You see all these reels in front of me. We're going to get to that in a minute. But thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for helping my Facebook page grow and my YouTube page grow. And thank you for everybody that has sent stars. Every time you send a star, it lets my money grow on Facebook. And I'm fixing to tell you a story and tell you why stars are important. Had a young man to call me yesterday, 19 years old, never had a fishing pole. He claims he's never had a fishing pole in his hand. He wanted to get into fishing. When you send me stars, it allows my money to grow on Facebook. And when my money grows on Facebook, I'm allowed, and it allows me to take care of this young man that came in yesterday. Not going to mention any names, but I got a call yesterday from a young man, 19 years old, claims he's never had a fishing pole and never been fishing. He wanted to get into fishing and I asked him what he was looking for. He told me I was looking for a reel that had that wire thing that you click over and you put your finger on the string and you cast. That's easy. I think I can use it. Well, he came over yesterday evening and he was looking for a spinning reel. And the wire thing he was talking about flipping over was the bell. You flip that bell over, you put your finger on the string, then you cast it, and then you flip your bell back over and you're ready to fish. So I gave him a little lesson and had a real nice combo, practically brand new, hardly ever been used. And I gave it to him. And also gave him a little tackle box with hooks and sinkers and corks. And he was excited when I told him no charge. Your stars that you send me helps me to take a reel apart, fix it up, put it back together, make it usable again. Then I'm able to donate it to somebody like that kid that was here yesterday. He told me, he said, I've looked at your Facebook page and looked at your YouTube page, and I've seen a video on rods, but you haven't done a video on reels. So I figured, well, maybe there's somebody else out there that wanted to know the difference between the reels. So that's the reason we're here this morning, to just give you a little short explanation of reels and to thank you for your stars that you keep sending. This is a spinning reel. The spinning reel has a bell on it. You flip that bell over, you put your finger on the string, and then you cast it. And you flip your bell back over, and you're ready to fish. This is a enclosed spinning reel. A lot of people call them a button reel, enclosed reel. So whatever you want to call it, you push the button, and then you cast it. You click the button, you're ready to fish. Got a drag on it. They come in all sizes, all makes, and all models. They come even in big ones. They're simple. You just unscrew this, and there's your string. There's your spool. Push the button, and you cast it, and it allows your string to come out. Yes, you can use them at the coast. People say, oh, you can't use them at the coast. You can use them at the coast. They're just like any other reel. You have to clean it up. But they come in all sizes and all colors. A lot of kids use them. They're good for beginners. My sister loves them. My sister loves these here. I use them. I know a lot of men that use them. I always have one or two with me when I go fishing. Simplest reel you can use. This is a bait caster. A lot of people don't like bait casters. This is a low profile bait caster. You push the button down, you put your thumb over the spool, and you cast it. Once it hits the water, you do a click, and you're ready to fish. And your drag is right here. The more you tighten it down, the stronger your drag is. You loosen it up, and this is a low profile bait caster made by Abu Garcia. This one needs a little work on it. This is also a bait caster. This is made by Abu Garcia. It's an Ambassador 6500S. You do it the same way. You push your button down, you put your thumb over the string, and you cast it. Once it hits the water, you click it. This is a pin reel. This is also a bait caster. You do it the same way. You flip that back, you put your finger over the string, and then you cast it. You flip this back up, and you're ready to fish. So you have 3 different types of bait casters, depending on what you want to fish. I have a low profile bait caster. I use it for everything. Use it at the coast. I use it for bass fishing. I use it for catfishing. I use it for everything. They're good to use. A lot of people don't like them because they have a tendency to backlash, but they have settings on them. You set it for the weight or the ounces that you're fishing with. And they're pretty sweet little reels. So you have spinning reels. They come in all shapes and sizes. They're really nice to use. I like to use them. They're simple. They're easy. You have a drag right here. You tighten your drag down. You loosen your drag up. And things just spin. So that's what your stars do. When you send stars in, it helps me to help other people that want to get into fishing. And I sure like to see kids fishing. Nothing better than see a kid catch a fish. So thank y'all for tuning in. Thank you for your stars and continue to send them. I do appreciate it. It helps me to help other people, and it helps my Facebook to grow, and it helps my YouTube channel to grow. And I can't thank you enough for your stars. And until then, until next time, go fishing. Happy RVing. We'll see you on the next one.